It takes a lot of effort to launch a YouTube channel. You must not only spend time composing, producing, and editing videos. However, you must also choose a topic that you are passionate about and ensure that it resonates with people. There are countless topics on which you can create videos. However, some themes will help your channel grow quickly. Here are 7 YouTube channel ideas for you to profit from. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 1. Future business. The industry is changing. Everything is shifting toward technology and the internet. So, building a channel in this area is a terrific way to get your channel started. Metaverse jobs are among the most important in the world of information technology. These are the jobs that are accountable for the metaverse's overall expansion. Hardware design, software development, and 3D modeling are among the opportunities available. The metaverse can be perplexing at first, due in large part to its vastness. It is essentially a digital cosmos coexisting with the physical. The metaverse, on the other hand, is not bound by physical constraints. This means that it is constantly evolving and changing. When Facebook relaunched as Meta, the world realized that the metaverse had finally matured to the point where the average individual could dive right in. The metaverse is now easily accessible because of its Oculus technology and Horizon software. Other companies in the metaverse are working on equally astounding developments. The metaverse is a vast world that necessitates ability from nearly every possible skill set to flourish and function. Some vocations, however, are inextricably linked to the metaverse. Metaverse jobs include marketing specialist, 3D game developer, VR software engineer, digital artist, product manager, hardware engineer, UI/UX designer, and others. Number 2. DIY videos. Another topic for your channel launch could be DIY, because everyone adores them. They are distinctive, and people seek and observe them. Furthermore, many of us want to get our channel started by not exposing our faces in the video. So this one will be useful, because DIY videos are the ideal form of content for doing so. There is a plethora of life hack and DIY channels available, and people are enamored with them. Because this is such a varied topic, with such a wide range and broad categories, make sure you pick the proper specialty in the long term. People also desire to save money. They look for simple life hacks to implement. So, rather than spending money on their every need, they watch these films. Number 3. Cruises. Cruising is enjoyable for many people. It's an opportunity for you to disconnect from work or a hectic schedule and reconnect with your playful side. Cruises, in general, are geared for the delight of their guests and frequently feature nightly entertainment and a variety of onboard activities. However, one of the most significant advantages is that a cruise ship contains everything you need to spend a fantastic holiday by yourself, with your partner, friends, or family. Fantastic food, bars, Broadway-style musicals, spas, pools, dancing, and much more. The user can create videos featuring cruises to every country on the planet. That is why this niche is an excellent choice for your new YouTube channel. Number 4. Drawing. Art or drawing has long been known to have profound impacts on the human body, both psychologically and physically. In most cases, both spectators and practitioners experience beneficial outcomes. Music, culinary, and architectural art are all forms of art. Drawing and painting provide us the opportunity to connect with our emotions in a way that no other human activity does. When looking for ideas for what to do on a piece of surface, we usually try to connect with what we are feeling at the time. Once we have grasped the feeling, we will strive to establish an explanation for it, and with this, we will be able to intellectualize our emotions to a degree of practicality, and a large percentage of viewers are interested in arts-related channels. As a result, this is an excellent topic for your new YouTube channel. Number 5. Dog training. Dogs are really popular among many people. However, one major issue that the majority of them face is a lack of sufficient training. They do not wish to go to a training institution for that purpose. They want to know how to learn them. This is when they look for YouTube videos. Training is an important component of keeping a dog and can begin at any age. Training your dogs boosts confidence, stimulates the mind, and deepens the human-animal link. Dogs are constantly learning. It is never too late to begin your training. There's a lot to learn from those who train violent dogs, and the advice given between the lines is quite useful for regular dog owners. Number 6. Personal finance. Personal finance is the financial management used by an individual or family unit to budget, save, and spend money over time while taking into account various financial risks and upcoming life events. Personal finance is an essential component of not just managing your day-to-day financial demands, but also planning for your financial future. The sooner you learn personal finance, the better your long-term financial prospects for investment and retirement planning will be. As a result, many people attempt to seek assistance with various personal financing concerns. So if you're good at it, this is a terrific place to start your YouTube channel, because you will almost certainly have a large audience. Number 7. Relationship. Relationships are one of the world's most popular and searched for topics. There are thousands of videos in this category. However, it never gets old. Relationships assist us in communicating with others. Relationships can improve many parts of one's life. The more we understand how relationships function, the more we may learn from them. Our perceptions of, relationships with, and interactions with people have a significant impact on our life. So gather some knowledge and begin your channel with it, because it will benefit both your audience and your channel. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.